Hi, it's Angeline. You know how much I love my rainbows, sparkles, and glitters. So today, no surprise, I'm making some watercolor rainbow butterflies. Here is the Migration of Beauty stamp by Angie Blom. This is a beautiful butterfly border background stamp. And today I'm using my Altenew Watercolors here to paint in the butterflies. So I'm just using a water brush here and just wetting the card as I go with the colors and just mixing the colors. And what's great about this watercolor set is that all colors are already mixed for you, so you don't have to mix any colors. And as you can see, oh my goodness, the blue I just painted, oh wow, so beautiful. So you don't have to really crack your head on what kind of colors that you have to mix. Just follow the rainbow wheel, and it helps if you have already painted the colors out in advance, because there are some colors that kind of look dark in the pan, but it's actually so beautiful once it is painted out. If you think any color is not vibrant enough, you can always go back and add more color and just use the water to just blend everything in together. For the sentiment, I'm using this kit called I'm With You by Grace Lee Design, and here it is. I've already embossed it in gold and it's so shiny. Remember, I love my sparkles. So I've already placed some double-sided adhesive foam behind the sentiment to just pop it up. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!